99% of people thinks flight mode completely disconnects the internet, but that's not always true. In this video, I will show you how to still use the internet even if the flight mode is turned on. The method is simple, fast, and work in most phones. Some people consider this as a free internet connection, but hell no, it's not a free internet connection. The only thing is that you can actually browse in internet, receive calls, make calls whilst your phone is on flight mode. Yes, you can see it, you can activate the flight mode, turn it on, but trust me, you can do all these things, make use of your internet connection and go through your WhatsApp, access your Facebook, anything concerning an internet connection, you can do it. Anything concerning calls, you can do it whilst your phone is on flight mode. You think it's a magic, right? No, it's not a magic. Now, before wasting time, let's get started. Just go to your Play Store and download this app called. Now, this is the app. Yes, this is actually the app. For now, I will not disclose the name of the app until the end of the video. All you need to do now is to focus on the practical. That's the most important thing, because as soon as you miss a step, you will get the wrong result. So I will not show you the name of the app until the end of the video so that you can master all the steps and implement them on your own. Yes, now download the app for the first time as a first user. The app is loading now. It's 10.02 MB. It's a very light app. The app just downloaded and it's installing itself automatic. Now tap on open. Let's go. Select next, allow if you like, or you tap on next and accept their usage policy is a must. You need to accept them. Tap on get started. Now this is the app. Tap on accept. I don't have time to read all these things, but you can do if you like. Tap on accept and allow the permission. Turn on this permission, allow while using the app. Select allow again for the second time and turn off your what? Turn off your flight mode. Let's just turn off the flight mode. Let's see, this is your flight mode. Just turn it off and select what? Method 2. Tap on method 2 and turn on this mobile radio power on. Yes, just turn it on. As you can see, as soon as you turn on this mobile radio power on, the internet connection will activated whilst the phone is on flight mode. Now let me just show you. As you can see, some people think that I connected to a Wi-Fi. Let me show you. There is no Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is turned off. The phone is on flight mode, and whilst the internet is still on. Now let me show you. Let's just go to Google and search for what? Let's just search for tech and AI tools, and tap on search. This is just to show you that the internet is working whilst the phone is on flight mode. Yes, it's actually working. Now let me show you the name of the app before ending this video. Just go to your Play Store again for the second time so that I can show you the app. Now this is the app. It's called First Light Only, in bracket 4G or 5G is the app I use to do this particular trick. Yes, you can go there, download it. I forgot before making this video to check if it's also available on iOS device, but just do research for yourself, because this phone I'm using for this particular is actually an Android phone, so it's obviously available on Play Store. It's 100% sure. Yes. Now go to your iOS device, check if it's available there, and tell me on the comment section. If not, I will also show you how to get it on your iPhone. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, trick like this, just comment the word more and subscribe to this channel and stay connected for more. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.